I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this room.
Hey everybody, Roman Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, of course. Want to talk to you just a moment about the stove jack that I installed about 4 years ago. I knew when I installed that stove jack that it would void the warranty. That wasn't an issue with me. Being self-sufficient out here for however long I decide or need to be out here was the purpose for the stove jack. See, beyond that knoll right there is a wood pile. Chainsaw, handsaw, axe, and right there. That will allow me to stay out here as long as I need to during the winter months. I knew it would void the warranty, but without fail, what's more important? Staying warm or a warranty when you're out here? Thanks for watching.